In a digital landscape where millions vie for attention, imagine the exhilarating possibility of a small channel shattering the YouTube mold with a single video. Picture this: the underdog creator, armed with innovation, strategy, and a touch of audacity, stepping onto the stage and captivating the world. What if I told you that breaking YouTube with one video is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality? Uncover the secrets, strategies, and untold stories as we delve into the extraordinary journey of how small channels defy the odds and unleash a seismic wave of influence with just one click. Brace yourself for a narrative of creativity, timing, and the untapped potential that transforms underdogs into YouTube legends. Number 1. Compelling content ideas. The cornerstone of any successful YouTube video is the content itself. Small channels can break through by focusing on unique, engaging, and relevant content ideas. Whether it's an innovative tutorial, a niche product review, or an entertaining skit, the key is to offer something that sets the video apart from the sea of content on the platform. 2. Mastering SEO and thumbnails. YouTube is a search engine, and understanding search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for small channels. By using relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags, creators can increase the discoverability of their videos. Additionally, eye-catching thumbnails play a pivotal role in attracting clicks. Thumbnails should be visually appealing, intriguing, and reflective of the video's content. 3. Leveraging trends. Staying abreast of current trends within the YouTube community and beyond can be a game changer for small channels. Creating content that aligns with trending topics or challenges can lead to increased visibility, as viewers actively search for such content. However, it's important to maintain authenticity and relevance to the channel's theme. 4. Engaging with the audience. Building a community around your channel is essential for long-term success. Responding to comments, asking for viewer input, and fostering a sense of connection can turn casual viewers into dedicated subscribers. The YouTube algorithm rewards engagement, so the more interaction a video generates, the more likely it is to be recommended to a broader audience. 5. Timing is everything. Understanding the optimal times to publish videos can significantly impact a video's initial success. Research indicates that certain days and times may result in higher viewership, as the YouTube algorithm tends to favor recent and popular content. Experimenting with different upload schedules and analyzing the results can help small channels find the sweet spot for their audience. 6. Collaborations and shoutouts. Small channels can benefit immensely from collaborations with other creators, especially those with larger audiences. Collaborative videos introduce your content to new viewers and can lead to cross-promotion. Additionally, shoutouts from established creators can provide a massive boost in visibility. 7. Quality production values. While it's true that content is king, production quality is the queen that enhances its allure. Investing time in high-quality video and audio production, along with thoughtful editing, can make a significant difference. A polished video not only captivates the audience, but also establishes credibility and professionalism. 8. Harnessing social media. Beyond YouTube, leveraging other social media platforms is crucial for expanding reach. Sharing video snippets, behind-the-scenes content, and engaging with audiences on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok can drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Social media serves as a valuable tool for building a brand and connecting with viewers outside the YouTube ecosystem. Utilizing analytics. Small channels should make use of YouTube analytics to understand viewer behavior, demographics, and watch time. Analyzing this data can help creators identify what works and what doesn't, allowing them to refine their content strategy for future videos. In the ever-evolving landscape of online content, the journey of breaking through YouTube with one video is a testament to the dynamic nature of creativity and connectivity. The stories we've uncovered, the strategies dissected, and the potential explored paint a vivid picture of the limitless opportunities awaiting creators in this digital era. But let's not forget, the real magic lies not just in the algorithms or trends, but in the profound connection between creators and their audiences. The triumph of a small channel isn't just about views. It's about sparking conversations, inspiring change, and leaving an indelible mark on the vast canvas of the internet. As we wrap up this exploration, let's celebrate the audacity of the underdogs, the brilliance of the unconventional, and the unwavering spirit of those who dare to dream big in the world of pixels and screens. Small channels breaking through isn't just a story. It's an anthem of empowerment for every creator who has ever doubted their potential. So whether you're a creator on the cusp of viral glory or a viewer seeking the next big sensation, remember that the power of one video isn't just in its ability to break through algorithms. It's in its potential to break barriers, transcend norms, and redefine the very essence of digital storytelling. May this journey into the heart of YouTube's dynamism serve as an inspiration to all creators, big and small. Even though these three channels might be just around the corner, they have one studio that all lies in the unpredictability of the digital frontier. Keep creating, keep pushing boundaries, and who knows, your next video might be the one that reshapes the landscape of YouTube once again. As the pixels settle and the digital dust clears, the allure of infinite possibilities beckons. The story continues, and the next chapter is yours to write. In the vast landscape of YouTube, small channels have the potential to break through and make a significant impact with just one video. By focusing on compelling content, mastering SEO and thumbnails, leveraging trends, engaging with the audience, understanding optimal timing, collaborating with other creators, prioritizing production values, harnessing social media, occasionally creating controversy with caution, and utilizing analytics, small channels can unlock the doors to YouTube success. Success on YouTube is a dynamic journey that requires adaptation, creativity, and persistence. While there's no guaranteed formula, implementing these strategies can certainly increase the likelihood of a small channel breaking through and making a lasting impression on the platform. As the saying goes, it only takes one video to change everything. And for small YouTube channels, that transformative video might be just around the corner. As we conclude this exploration into the realm of YouTube triumphs, it's evident that the power to break through lies not just in numbers, but in the artistry and determination of creators. From mastering the intricacies of SEO to the subtle dance of controversy, small channels have the tools to redefine the narrative. Remember, the journey doesn't end with one breakthrough. It's a continuous evolution of content, connection, and creativity. So whether you're a creator on the brink of that game-changing video or an avid viewer witnessing the rise of new stars, let this serve as a testament to the limitless possibilities within the YouTube universe. In the grand tapestry of online storytelling, each small channel has the potential to be a disruptive force, altering the landscape of digital content forever. So go ahead, create, innovate, and who knows, your next video might just be the one that breaks YouTube wide open. Until then, keep clicking, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in this digital frontier.